board for the seat has been coated with epoxy, so this is all sealed. And as far as this, it's just 4 screws in the bottom to hold this piece together. And that gets Velcroed down to the bottom of the boat, and the 2 batteries go right there. So the last thing to do is to just get these pulleys on either side of the steering column, the steering shaft. We'll run the rope through and run that back. The electrical wiring from the plug there around to the dash. And I've got a gauge digital readout for the battery level. Shouldn't be too hard to wire up. And the seat has been attached to the board that is all epoxy covered. And a couple strips of Velcro, and that guy will be nice and set there. Just about done. I also need to put the bow light on as well. But we're in the final stages here. Hopefully this will get done during the next week, and either next weekend or the following weekend we'll try for a launch. Awesome project. Thanks very much for taking a look.